Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create clipping masks in Canva. So go to canva.com and log into your account. Let's start with a blank presentation. Technically, you can choose any canvas size that you want. Next thing we need to do is we need an image that will appear inside the clipping mask. So go to the Elements tab, then search for a background image or photo. You can choose any image you like. For example, an abstract background. Once you've added the image that you would like to use, resize it so it fills the entire page. Okay, there you go. Now to create the clipping mask, go to the apps. In the search bar, type in clipping mask. Open the app. This will let us place our image inside shapes, text, or custom design. Click on Open, then click on Start Masking. You can choose any shape that you want, like a circle, a heart, this one, mushroom, or any pattern. You can also adjust the size if needed. Then click Add to Design. Now see your image clip perfectly inside this shape. You can also use text as a clipping mask. So inside the clipping mask app again, let's start making a mask. Go to text, type any word that you want. Resizing it if needed. Then add to design. Your background image will now appear inside the text. See? It created a really clean effect. You can still edit the text style, add shadows, outlines, or effects if you want. If you have your own image or graphic, you can use that too on the Clipping Mask app. Let's go back to the Clipping Mask app, start masking, and select image. You can upload your own file from your computer. Once added, that background image will be clipped inside your custom image, which can be any shape, design, or etc. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.